These are the letters C and K. What are the sounds of C and K? The sound is K. Come on, say it with me. K. K. Great job. Now, let's see what words have the letter C and K. This is a duck. What is it? A duck. Duck. Excellent work. Now, it is a very rainy day outside. Can you spot what words have K? Let's find out together. First, we have K 2 times in the word backpack. Say it with me. Backpack. Backpack. Then we have jacket. How do you say it? Jacket. Jacket. Next up, we have socks. Socks. One last time, socks. And finally, we have neck. Neck. Let's say it together. Neck. Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to say the letters C and K.